Two-tone nightstand. Fashioned with framed drawer fronts and decorative corbels, this nightstand has distinctive charm that's equal parts elegant and homey in your room. What a showstopper. Assembly required. Material: wood. Product dimensions: 27.0 by 17.0 by 27.75 inches. Handsomely crafted. Made of veneers, wood and engineered wood. Designed with 3 smooth gliding, dovetail construction drawers, a USB charging station and bronze tone finished metal hardware. Beautifully distressed. The chipped white paint, paired with a distressed brown wood top, is simply striking for lovers of cottage chic style. Small space solution. Measuring 27W x17D x27H to fit most bedrooms, this versatile night table looks great set bedside with a lamp. Arrives assembled. Ready for instant enjoyment. Matching bedroom set and mirror available, sold separately. Power cord included. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Super happy about the quality of this end table. It was packaged so well that no amount of manhandling would have damaged it. Foam bumper cube surrounded it with extra styrofoam on all 4 sides. Couldn't have asked for better packaging and quality for the price. Love the outlets on the back. Has 2 standard 2-prong outlets and 1 USB. I was originally looking for a table with the outlets hidden in the drawers, but couldn't find a table in the dimensions I needed for the space. The charging outlets on the top, backside of this table are a perfect design that I didn't even know I'd prefer, because inside, the drawer would have to remain open.